Can you renovate an existing home towards a passive house standard? Yes. This is called an EnerPHit renovation. It can be challenging depending on the type of construction your house is built to. It would require a detailed analysis of the build before renovating starts. This would detail the amount of thermal bridging occurring in the dwelling. The dwelling would then need to be modelled by a consultant using passive house software called PHPP. This would figure out the energy consumption and the required insulation values the house would need to be brought up to passive house standard. Typically, the hardest part to bring up to passive house standard is the dwelling's foundations. Sometimes retrofitting insulation to old concrete foundations in New Zealand is a challenge due to lack of access. Solutions to this can involve insulating over the top of existing concrete foundations, but it is certainly achievable. New external joinery would be required, which is airtight and fitted with high-performing glazing. More insulation would be required to all the external walls and roof. An airtightness layer would need to be wrapped around all the external walls to prevent cold air meeting warm air, causing condensation issues. Finally, a mechanical air ventilation system would need to be fitted to allow the house to breathe and keep healthy. There are some beautiful homes around New Zealand which would really benefit being brought up to a passive house standard through renovating. I believe this can be a much more sustainable option than knocking down existing homes and completely rebuilding them. Sustainability is about constructing things which stand the test of time rather than the throwaway mentality we have at the moment. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions about passive housing or you want any more information, feel free to get in touch.